All right, you've got people on your website, but no one is buying. That's such a crappy feeling, right? It's like you put all your energy, effort, and love into building your website and want the whole world to see it, and they're seeing it, but it's not converting. And you just feel like this deflated balloon that wants to hide in the closet and eat chocolate. How do I know this feeling? Because it's happened to me before. And I'll tell you what, that's not a good feeling. And I want to show you how I went from that empty, deflated, blah feeling to being able to sell over $11,000 in 7 hours. You guys, I was a school teacher once. This money doesn't go unnoticed. Like, it is a huge change when you know what to do, how to get people to your site, and then how to get them to buy. And I want to show you guys how to do it, because once I learned these steps, I've been doing this for 10 years. And I do them all the time because it works, and I'm so excited to share it with you. Now, on this video right here, right now, you're actually in the middle of a 5-part series. You are number 3 in this video series on how to launch a product or launch a brand for you to just explode it out of the water. So here's a review of the 5 steps. And remember, we're on video number 3. So video number 1 is how to start getting excitement building up around the product and the business that you are about to show to the world. You've got amazing stuff. I've seen so many of your products, and the world really does need you. Number 2 is how to actually get people to your website, right? You're about to throw this big, huge party, but if you don't send out the invites for people to attend, no one is coming to your party. Video number 2 is to help out even if you are a brand newbie. Okay, video number 3. So you build up the excitement. You've got them to your site. Now let's get them to buy from you. And we're gonna dive down deep into that video today. Now, next week's video is going to be on how to double your sales on the last day. That's exciting, right? And then number 5, it's just a little secret on what has helped me to continue my successful launches that I cannot wait to share with you. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that social media stuff. And I've got a surprise for you. In the links down below, I've actually created a free PDF of all of this so that you can just print it off. So you just click on the link and it'll go straight to your Facebook Messenger, and I've taken notes for you. Pretty snazzy, right? But don't go too far, because I want to show you the 8 things to get your customers to convert and buy even more from you. So the day that you launch your product, this is what actually I call game day. I'm not big into sports, but business is my sport, and I relate it to business a lot. So when you are launching your business, or when you're about to go into a game, what do you do that game day? Do you sit on the lines or the sidelines and just watch? Are you in there trying new strategies, tweaking, challenging yourself on how to improve? I have watched so many site owners launch their site and then just kind of hide and wait till the next day to see what their results are. Don't do that. When you have people coming to your site, this is going to give you so much good information. And if you install something called Hotjar, Hotjar, you can literally see what they are doing in your field, like what is happening on your site. You can see them clicking around, you can see them clicking off, you can see them going into products. You guys, the amount of information that is literally handed to you, and you can even get free accounts. What? I know. You can use Hotjar for free to see what's happening on your site. And that, my friends, is literally gold dropping into your lap. So that's the number 1 thing. Watch what people are doing on your site. If you see that there's a pop-up box that's acting funny, or there's a product down below that people are buying, move that up to the top of the site so that more people are converting on it and they're not having to hunt through and find the good products on your site. Watch what they're doing. So much good. The second thing, you have to have a powerful offer. If you were like opening day, grand opening, or brand new release product, 5% off, no one has time to buy your 5% off offer. Don't do a 5% offer. You've got to make it to where someone will stop and get excited and want to buy from you. And if you're like, but Allison, I don't have enough margin to give a bigger discount. You don't have to give a bigger discount. Add more value to your products. You can include a free PDF on how that it complements your product. Let's say you are selling children's clothing. Add in a free PDF on how to get stains out of kids' clothing, because if you know kids, you know stains, and you know they ruin a lot of clothes. So help, like, add value with a free PDF, right? Give more resources, more information, more value to your products. You don't always have to reduce the price, but get something on there that will make people stop and want what you have to offer. Number 2, scarcity and urgency. Have a limited time and or a limited amount of product. So let's say you're selling these blue pens, right? And if you're like, I've got thousands and thousands of blue pens and they will be on sale forever, no one's gonna wanna buy them. But if you're like, I've got 30 pens and the offer's only good for 24 hours unless they sell out, it's going to create that urgency and scarcity. Now, don't lie and be like, you do have thousands and thousands and thousands, right? You want to be honest in this. And let's say you do have thousands and thousands, just offer your coupon code for a limited amount of time. The offer's good for only 24, 48, 72 hours. Give your customers a cutoff to make it happen. Number 3, celebrate with a giveaway. On Instagram, you can do a giveaway and give one of your products away for free if people will tag their friends. It's gonna help get your message for your grand opening out just a little bit more. Number 4, I am totally off on my numbers. I think this is number 5, whatever it is. Go live on your Facebook or your Instagram and show people, you guys, look how cool this pen is. We've got 100 of them and it's available for 48 hours, and they click. Whatever you're doing, right? Hold your product up, consume your product so your customers see it. And if you're like, Allison, I'm such an introvert and I never get out of my pajamas, well, that's just an excuse, because I built a multi-million dollar company and my face was never on it. You can hire it out. You don't have to show your face. Have you ever seen the unboxing videos on YouTube that are crushing it? They only use their hands, and I don't think they've ever had manicures done. So stop with the excuses, get out there and use the technology to get your message out to the world. This technology that Facebook has invested, think about the billions of dollars they have spent, and we don't have to pay anything to use live. That is pretty magical right there. Okay, the next one, because I don't even remember what number I'm on because I was so excited about this topic, is guess what? Remember how you're playing the game? You want to know the coolest part about playing a game that you start? Is you get to make your own rules. So let's say you're watching things happen and people come to your site and they're getting to the checkout and they're like, oh, backing out of checkout. Maybe your shipping is too high. Go in and redo your shipping prices. Guess why? It's because you can. You are the one that made the game. You get to set the rules. So set rules that help make you money. And the last one, don't be afraid to change out pictures during your live sell or to change out what you have written. You guys, you get to make the rules. If you have an amazing product and you're like, I wonder what picture converts better, now is your chance to test it out. Which picture is going to capture more people's attention? Guys, this is game day for you. This is what you have been waiting for. And I want you to play your best game ever because your products belong in the hands of customers. I know, I've watched how much passion you have behind your brands and your businesses. Now it's time you start owning that game You're not just the coach, you are the owner of that game. You set the rules, you enforce it, you make it happen, and then you can make that money. You guys love this game. Business is amazing, and I want you guys to go get it too. So don't forget, there is an organized PDF list down below with all the correct numbers on all the steps for you. And then next week, I'm gonna come out and talk to you about how you can double your orders. Like, you guys, this is crazy, and I'm seeing so many businesses miss this step. And it's frustrating, and I don't want you to do it too. I want you to double your numbers as well. So watch for that video next week, and then the one after that one is going to be how to get even bigger results the next time around. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.